students, welcome to the digital learning session of Raval Convent School. Today for class 7th, we are here with another amazing topic, that is wind and its types. Let's begin. What is wind? It is a movement of air in the atmosphere. Some winds are local or regional. You can say air in motion or horizontal flow of air. Wind blow from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressure. Now, what causes wind? It caused by a difference in air pressure due to unequal heating of the atmosphere. Winds are created by heating the air decreases pressure. Warm air rises creating a low pressure. Cool air rushes in to replace the warm air. As air goes from high to low pressure, wind form. Now, types of winds. Wind blowing above the Earth's surface may be classified into 5 major types: planetary winds, trade winds, westerlies, periodic winds, which include monsoon wind, land breeze, sea breeze, mountain and valley breeze, and local. First, planetary winds. Planetary winds comprise wind distributed throughout the lower atmosphere. The wind blow regularly throughout the year confined within latitudinal belts, mainly in northeast and southeast direction or from high pressure polar region to low pressure regions. Second is trade winds. These winds are also known as tropical easterlies, blow from the right in the northern hemisphere to the left in the southern hemisphere due to Coriolis effect and the Farrell law. What it means? This effect describes the pattern of deflection taken by objects non-firmly connected to the ground as they travel long distances around Earth. Basically, this effect is responsible for many large-scale weather patterns. They start blowing from the subtropical high-pressure areas towards the equatorial low-pressure belts. In the northern hemisphere, they blow as northeastern trades. In the southern hemisphere, they blow as southeastern trades. Next is the westerlies. These winds are also known as striking 60s, furious 50s and roaring 40s. They blow from the subtropical high pressure belts towards subpolar low pressure belts. The westerlies of southern hemisphere are stronger and constant than the westerlies of northern hemisphere. Next is periodic winds. These winds change their direction periodically as there is a change in the seasons. Following are the types of periodic winds. First is monsoon winds. The temperature difference created due to the Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal on one side and the Himalayan wall on the other form the basis of monsoon in the Indian subcontinent. Next is land breeze. These winds blow from land to sea carrying no moisture but dry and warm. Next is sea breeze. These winds blow from sea to land carrying some moisture. Next is mountain and valley breeze. Valley breeze is the hot air blowing from the valley which flow up to the slope of mountain slopes. While mountain breeze is the reverse of valley breeze, that is cold air from the mountain flow towards valley. Last is local winds. The local winds include the sea and the land breeze created due to the pressure difference between air over the sea and the land regions. Lu is the local wind that blow in the northern part of India. What is uneven heating between land and sea? Sea water gets heated more slowly as compared to land. As the temperature of the land rises, the air above it gets heated by conduction. The density of warm air is less than the surrounding environment, because of which it rises, creating a vacuum in its place. The cooler air from the sea rushes to fill the vacuum, which creates a cool coastal breeze. At night, the land cools off more quickly, which creates a temperature difference between the temperature onshore and that offshore. Because of this temperature difference, again a pressure drop is created, establishing a land breeze. In the end, I would like to say that wind energy is great, renewable. Energy is our faith. Thank you.